Today, we're going to talk about the best brushes for painting walls. Whether you're a professional painter or a DIYer, the right brush can make all the difference in getting a smooth, professional-looking finish. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of brushes available, the materials they're made of, and the factors to consider when choosing a brush for your project. We'll also recommend some of our favorite brushes for different types of painting projects. Number 1. Bates Paint Brushes for Walls. The brushes are made with premium quality bristles that are soft and flexible, yet durable. This allows them to hold a lot of paint without dripping, and they won't shed or fray. The brushes are easy to clean and maintain. Simply rinse them with water and mild soap after each use. If you're looking for a high-quality paint brush that will give you a smooth, professional finish, then the Bates Paint Brushes for Walls are a great option. They're made with premium materials, they're comfortable to hold, and they're easy to clean. Number 2. Pro Grade Paintbrush Set. The brush is made with high-quality materials, including synthetic bristles and wooden handles. The bristles are soft and flexible, which helps to prevent them from shedding or fraying. The wooden handles are durable and comfortable to grip. The set includes a variety of brushes that are perfect for different painting tasks. The angled sash brushes are ideal for cutting in, while the flat sash brushes are great for rolling. The larger 4-inch brush is perfect for covering large areas quickly. Number 3. Vermeer Paint Brushes. These brushes are made with high-quality synthetic bristles that are stiff enough to hold a lot of paint, but also flexible enough to create a smooth finish. The brushes also have a comfortable wooden handle that makes them easy to grip. These are high-quality brushes that are perfect for any painting project. If you're looking for a brush that will last, the Vermeer paint brushes are a great option. Number 4. Grip Tight Tools 2.5 inches Paint Brush. The brush has a soft, non-slip grip that makes it comfortable to hold for long periods of time. This is important for preventing hand fatigue, especially when painting large areas. The bristles are soft and flexible, so they won't scratch or damage your walls. They are also designed to hold a lot of paint, so you can get more done with fewer brush strokes. The brush is easy to clean, so you can get it ready for your next painting project quickly and easily. Number 5. Bates 4-inch Paint Brushes for Walls. These brushes are designed for painting large, flat surfaces like walls, doors, and bookshelves. They have a soft, synthetic bristle that is designed to hold more paint, so you can save time and get a smooth finish. The thinner tip at the ends makes it easy to get into corners and along edges, and its lightweight handle makes them comfortable to use for long periods of time. So, those are the 5 best brushes for painting walls. The best brush for you will depend on your budget, the type of paint you're using, and the size of the area you're painting. If you're on a budget, the Bates Paint Brushes for Walls are a great option. If you want a higher quality brush, the Pro Grade Paint Brush Set is a good choice. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the brushes we reviewed, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.